Hi guys, we received this cordless hand blender for viewing purposes. We have the user manual right here, the main unit with the buttons to control it and to charge it up, a USB Type-C port right here. One of the first attachments that we can use, and we even got in here more attachments. Whisk to use, okay, like an egg beater, this tall flask, which I think that it's nice. And in here we have like a food processor, which I think that it's gonna be really useful. Okay, I'm gonna test it out with these two attachments, which I think that they are gonna do an amazing work. To turn it on, we press this button and the power on button on this side. As you can see, really simple. Okay, let's test it out. Okay, as you can see, I have some strawberries and a banana right here to make a banana and strawberry milkshake. I'm gonna throw in some milk, and now we can use the handheld blender. Okay guys, as you can see, it's really easy to use, and I like it a lot because it's multifunctional, because you can have a blender function, a chopper function, and even a whisk function with different attachments. And I think that they are great because they are really easy to place on and take out with just one click. And I think that it has a really nice anti-scratch and anti-splash blade guards, and I think they're gonna be really useful. As I've said, all the pieces can be easily attached and replaced with just one click for a quick cleaning or maintenance, and all the accessories are dishwasher safe or can be rinsed directly into the water, except the motor parts, making them really easy to take care of. And it has a really comfortable grip handle and a sleek body with an LED light to show the battery level. And just like that, really easy, we can have a milkshake ready whenever we want it, which I think that it's really nice. I also like that it has a variable speed control. Depending of how hard you press the button is the speed that it's gonna go, and overall I like it a lot and I would really recommend it. See you guys.